सर एसीसीए का पूरा स्टडी टेक्स्ट पढ़ लिया है सर सिलेबस को चार्ट लिया है सर, बट सर एग्जाम किट प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो पा रही सर क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पा रहा सर, और सर रिवीजन भी नहीं हो पा रही सर ये दो चीज़ों में कोई हेल्प कर सकता है? Yes. And that is where FinTram Global comes to your rescue, my friend. We have come up with the FinTram Revision Bootcamp that takes care of all that what you really need. If you really want to revise the entire content and that too in just a couple of hours, then Revision Bootcamp is the right name for that. You would also get the video exam kit. Yes, you heard it rightly. You would also get the video exam kit. That is the video question marathon that we offers, wherein you would solve the concept questions, comprehensive questions, the overall past examination questions, where teacher comes on over there, he solves it out and gives you all the tips and tricks that you need from the standpoint of clearing this exam in the best possible way. So why to wait now? Just log into fintram.com and order your revision bootcamp right now.